Yeah. I'm about to spit off a paper. This is my Heaven and Hell freestyle.
Nobody. We all get caught in our own sins.
Nobody.
That on my worst day, I live like somebody on their bravest. Don't let your demons take you down. Introduce them to heaven. You see it? I know I do.
Nobody wanna lose. Nobody wanna fail. Nobody wanna die.
DC3.
Nobody wanna care to fade. Just to make it. Ooh, nobody wanna lose. Nobody wanna fail. Nobody wanna die.
LTG, man. This is my hustle, I was raised in the struggle. I'm here to earn my victory, going down in history. Kids is dying, moms is crying in the police station line. You don't want to be a snitch. If you are, you gonna end up like someone's bitch. Nigga shot your brother, next is your mother. How would you feel if you don't have no rubber? Wait till for the streets to hear what I release, cause I'm a fucking beast, nigga, I'm realer. I'ma have you dancing like Michael Jackson and Thriller. You a loser, you a drug user, just don't be an abuser. My life is moving quicker, I wanna become richer, label on the table, I don't wanna sign cause a nigga on his grind. Yeah, I smoke a whole lot of weed, at least my ass know how to read, losing memories, blood slowly burning like calories. Why you gonna leave your girl that got a body and she a hottie for a little fucking thotty? Lyrics coming out my mouth like yada dotty, niggas in the streets is going catch a fucking body. LTG is my name, I'm soon to run the game. Nigga fuck the fame cause your ass is fucking lame, man, I'm stacked up like a bank, I'ma move up in ranks. This is a plan to get 100 fucking grand. Niggas want your head. Mom's at your funeral. Now she in tears fucking viewing you.
You see it?
Make it into heaven. Ooh, so make it into hell.
I know I do.
Nobody wanna lose.
Nobody wanna fail. Nobody wanna die.
DC3.
Nobody wanna care to fade. Just to make it. Ooh, nobody wanna lose. Nobody wanna fail. Nobody wanna die. We're just trying to live our life.
Little nigga wanna strive for success, could I suggest? Cops screaming freeze you under arrest. So nigga, little nigga move, so they put a bullet in his chest. Zipped up the body bag, yeah, he was compressed. Rest in peace, cops pulling up the sheets. Life is uneven like a quarter, land on heads and now you getting slaughtered. Bullets going straight through your ribcage. Don't have no name, it don't have no age. Cops is asking, so keep your mouth shut and stay knocking. Don't ever get caught in the streets lacking. This shit is so visual, AG that's digital. Man, this shit is so fucking critical. Yeah. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Y'all can follow me and add me on Instagram at LindoChris_15 and add me on Facebook at LindoChris, man. I'm out of this.